All right, folks, what does everybody want to know today? What's on everybody's mind? Is Bitcoin going to pump from here? And I'm a little bit out of breath. I just finished up my workout here. But, but anyway, my thing is, it really doesn't matter at this point. I think the low for Bitcoin is probably going to be between $20,000 and $25,000. Worst case scenario, $15,000. Does it really matter? If at this point you get your Cardano at 45 cents versus 20 cents, your Bitcoin at 28,000 versus 15,000, I mean, yeah, it makes a little bit of a difference. But for me, I'm about 75% in right now. 25% on the side, just in case we go lower. But folks, we're at the levels now where it's dangerous to be trading and it's dangerous to think that we're going to go a lot lower. I think we are going to go a lot lower, but not a lot lower, but I think we're probably going to drop down to 20, 25,000. But there's no guarantee that's going to happen. And say we don't drop down to 25,000 and we go up from here. Do I want to have no money in the market? Of course not. I want to be mostly in the market so I can capitalize. So for me, I'm about 75% of the market right now, about 20, 25% in cash. And if we go lower, I'm going to buy lower. If I can get Cardano at 30 and 20 cents, that's great. If I can get Theta at 75 cents, that's great. But there's no guarantee. And the answer is, if you're thinking to yourself, is it going to go lower? Should I be buying? It doesn't matter anymore. If Theta is going to be $30 next year and Cardano is going to be $15, you're never going to get the complete bottom. You should always have money on the side. You should always. But now is the time you should be heavy in the market. This is just my opinion. I don't think the stock market's going to hold. I think it could easily turn negative at the end of the day. Right now, it rallied 400 points. But I could see it turning negative today. I could see it turning negative next week. I don't think there's been enough pain in the stock market. And we have had a lot of pain in the crypto market with the whole Luna situation. I know I'm still feeling it. My KuCoin account sucks. I'm going to have to put more money in my KuCoin account because my Luna trade destroyed my KuCoin account, but that's completely my fault. That was play money over there, by the way. But, I just feel like we've seen pain, but we haven't. Traditionally, you get an 85% dump in Bitcoin, which will bring it down to about 15,000, 20,000. It doesn't mean it has to happen, but I think we have to have one more dump in Bitcoin down to 20,000, 25,000. At that point, I'd be comfortable being about 95% in the market. But right now, like I said, I'm about 75% in. We could see these lower prices. Look, we had a big bounce yesterday. A lot of these altcoins bounced really hard. And this is what happens. This happens in bear markets. This could be a complete fake out. But these bounces should let you know, no matter how low your altcoin goes, it can easily pump right back up. If Theta drops down to 70 cents, for it to pump back up to $3, it could happen in 2 days. In fact, it did happen in 2 days last year or 2 years ago when Theta pumped. Theta actually led the market 2 years ago. Theta was 20 cents. 2 days later, it was $2. That's what Theta does. It leads the market. And a lot of these altcoins do. But yesterday was a great time to buy altcoins. I bought Cardano yesterday. I bought some more Theta yesterday. I'm not buying anything today. I'm not going to buy on a pump. But if we do dump further, I will buy more. So ask yourself this question. Does it really matter right now? It really doesn't. You should be in the market. You should be 70 to 80% in the market right now. Have 20, 25% on the side if we go lower. But we've seen a lot of lows, folks. We've seen some brutality. A lot of people have been shaken out. If you want to play it really safe, be 50% in the market right now. I think that's okay too. But you need to be in the market right now because just thinking every day, oh, is it going to go lower? Is it going to go lower? You're going to keep saying that, and then one day it's not going to go lower. And I think it is going to go lower. I think we are going to hit 25,000. 20,000 would not surprise me as a wick down, but we'll shoot right back up from there. And I do have buy orders at Cardano at 20 cents and 25 cents on Binance. And if we hit 35 cents, I'm just going to buy some, just market price. So I'm ready to go. This is a very interesting time. Just pay attention. I think we've had the major shakeout. Things are trying to recover, but I do think we're going to have another downturn because of the stock market. I just think the stock market has not seen enough pain yet. And I think that's going to hold down Bitcoin as well. But I could be completely wrong. But we'll see what happens.